3.
Sorry for the long wait. I know everybody's been waiting for me. I'm back again with the Tucson, and everything's going good. The car is running perfectly fine, maybe even better than new. So I just wanted to make this quick video about the LOC converter. I made something for the passenger side, the RH, green for ground and red for positive. But I didn't tell you about the driver's side, so it's also known as the LH. Driver's side, you got yellow and black wires. The yellow is for positive and the black is for ground. And here's some footage. You can get a look for yourself here. I got a picture. Yellow for the positive and black for the ground, driver's side. And then on the passenger side we had the green for ground, red for positive. So my car is a Tucson. It's Canadian trend version, SCL. So here's the yellow and black for the driver's side and green and red for the passenger. Just an update, my transmission is doing amazing. It loves the royal purple, and I got a bunch of stuff done, so I gotta put together some video clips and I'll post them up as soon as I can. Sorry for the delay, and hope your Tucson's doing well. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.